Hey, Sam here, welcome to this Captifire bonus page. Now, I'm going to do something special today, something completely different to what I'd usually do. It's something new. And what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to show you a strategy that I used to generate my first 3,000 leads online. It was a simple strategy that I applied, and within the space of a couple of weeks, I was able to generate some real results with this. Now, on this page right here, down below, you'll also see a bonus where I'm actually going to create a free giveaway for you. I'm actually going to give you the ability to get basically a product that I create that you can give away and use as a lead generator for when you're using Captifire. And I'm also going to show you right now a demonstration of how Captifire can help your business and why I really like this opt-in software. It's really simple to use, it's really drag and drop, and I've been using it for the last week or so, and I'm really impressed with what I see. So join me on my computer right now, I'll show you this in action, and I'm going to show you what the benefit is in getting access to that special bonus. So I think this is really going to help you get a head start generating leads in your business. Okay, so here we are on my computer right now. Now down below, I'm actually going to dedicate a whole video to this strategy for generating leads, 3,000 leads that I used when I first got started. So down below, you'll see that in the bonuses section on the first bonus that I have as part of getting access to Captifire today. Now, Captifire is actually from the creators of Engagify. So if you like the Engagify software, which I do, I actually still use that regularly in my business, then I think you'll love Captifire. So this is the Captifire page builder right now. Now, I mentioned opt-in pages a lot in my email. This is mainly for opt-in pages, but it can also be used for a number of different purposes as well. It's a very active, animated, complete sort of editor, and you'll be able to do everything that you kind of want to for your web pages, for your opt-in pages like this. If I was to refresh this, you'll see it has animations and effects that you can create with all of these different pages that you can create inside of it. And they have over 70 different templates when you first start going in there and creating your pages. So these are some of the pages you'll see. You've got discount pages where you can actually offer discounts, retargeting pages where you can bring people back to your website and offer discounts. You've got timers, countdown timers with subscribe. So this might be a launch page, it could be a webinar page, it could be an offline business page. This is another one, which could be, again, an opt-in page where you're able to add your own video. You've got a video opt-in page. This is a video background page that's been created through the system here. This is another opt-in page or product page. These are product pages right here. And as you can see, download page, you've got a webinar page, which is really quite cool. You've got another webinar page here and a retargeting page, bringing people back, capturing their email address. These are just some of the types of different pages that you can design through this system, and it really is quite easy to do. It takes a matter of minutes to create these, and I'll show you how that's done right now. So let's go back to Wishloop, which is where Captifire is stored. Now I'm first of all going to go and I'm going to create a new page. Now if you wanted to, you can create a new group and you could group those pages. So for example, if I had a funnel, a product funnel, or if I was doing a specific campaign for a business, I would probably put that in a separate group, and I've got a new page right here. When you open the new page, you'll see a bunch of different template examples. Now you're able to go through and search through which one fits your needs the best out of these, and I'm working on a bit of a slow internet connection, so it's taking a bit more time to load these. Now I'll just refresh and bring this up. Cool. Alright, so we can see here that you can have a look through the different samples. You can preview this if you wanted. So this is a quiz page, for example. It's going to load a preview of this particular quiz page, so you can see for yourself whether this is right. All of these are mobile responsive as well, so they work with every type of browser that you could use for a mobile, iPad. All of that's available through here. So we can go down, we can choose the page that fits our needs the best. Now, for me right now, I'm going to be showing you guys down below, or I'm going to be showing you down below how to actually use an opt-in page. So I might choose one of these download pages or an opt-in page that'll suit my needs. This one looks quite cool. So let's just select this one, and we're going to go through and edit our page right now. Alright, so here we are in the editing section. Now first of all, what you'll first see when you get access to this is you'll see this right here. This is a tour that you can take of the website. It'll give you advice on how to use this editor and how to best find the results you're looking for. So it's really quite easy to go through this, and you can load new templates as it's showing right here, and it's a very interactive tour, which I really like about this software because it makes it so easy when you get there. It's a friendly welcome, and it'll teach you everything you need to know in order to edit these pages. And as you can see, it doesn't need to tell you much because the software is very easy to use. Seriously, you can use this even if you have no experience online. This is the type of software that does make it very easy to use. So basically down here, when we select an item, it'll then present the different details about an item here. So we've got settings, we can arrange different parts of this item, or if we wanted to, if it was a title, then we'd get to adjust our settings of this right here. Now it's a drag and drop editor, so if you select any item, you're able to edit it very easily. So for this one, for example, I'm able to edit my text, and if I wanted to add anything new or any new components into this page, I'm able to do that through this section right here. It's got different marketing elements, so you can add Teespring shirts, ebooks, Amazon widgets, quizzes. You can add different forms really quite easily, different media from video to images. You can add different text, social buttons. You can add normal buttons, right? You can actually have these buttons that pop out like you did with, say, for example, Captifire. You can have 2 steps. So, say, for example, they opt in. It can pop up something else then and ask them to take another, step. Geolocation, and you can also have miscellaneous, which is a bunch of other features like countdown timer and so on. Now if I was to add one of these components into the software right here, or into a page right here, I basically just drag the component into the main page screen right here, and it's going to go ahead and have this countdown here added where I want it to be. Now you saw there it popped up and it said, hey, you just added your first new element. So it's actually quite helpful throughout this whole process as you add elements and do different things. So I'm able to see here that I've added my timer. Now I'll just go ahead and set the date that I want this timer to run out on. So let's say, for example, it was a launch next month. So I might, later this month, I might put the 30th, so it counts down the timer right here. If we wanted to preview this, we're able to preview it very easily through this section right here. We can preview what it looks like on an iPad. We can preview what it looks like on a mobile phone as well. Cool, go back to our editing interface. So you can change different components, you can edit the text as you want, and this is a template that I'm working with right here, but if you really wanted to, you could change the background and any components of this software that you wanted to. So that's basically what the system does. You can add different steps, and it's basically a full page creator and editor that also gives you a bunch of different templates that you can utilize, and you won't need to change these templates much. They've been created by guys that know what they're doing when it comes to conversion, so all you really need to do is go through, change the text like for opt-in pages, save, and we're able to do that. Now obviously I'd go ahead and I'd adjust this to look as I wanted it to. We'll go through and add the color that I want, and then we'll increase the font size. So you can see here it's quite flexible what you can do with the system. You can do quite a bit with it, and you're able to get the effect and the look that you really want to. I would recommend sticking with many of their templates. They've done really well with the templates and they look really good. But if you want to, you can go ahead and add custom features as you want to the page, and it's really quite flexible to allow you to do whatever you want. When you're finished, click Save. Our changes are successfully saved. We can save this as a template if we wanted to, or if we really wanted to, we could close this down right now and we could go ahead and publish it on our website. Every account has a special URL for you, so when you purchase this, you'll get a special URL, a custom domain name, and you'll be able to add these really easily onto your domain. Also, this integrates with a bunch of different autoresponders. You're not going to have any problems there. Go up to autoresponders and you can set different autoresponders that you want for a particular campaign. It also tracks all your different traffic statistics, where it comes from, and there's a new piece to the software that's actually a free bonus when you get access to the system. What this is it's called a bridge page, basically, where it has a page you can create like this, where it'll actually act as an advertising page, kind of like you see on sites like, I believe Forbes uses it, where they've got an advertising page where you have to wait a certain period of time before you're forwarded to the actual website you're going to. So you can use a link like this to actually act as a go-between and capture more leads before people actually hit your website, which is really quite cool.
I've got 2 minutes on the one that I created, but when you do yours, stick to 5 seconds or something, so someone can see the ad, they can see whether this is something that they want to do, and then from there they can then forward on, and you can adjust that going through the system right here. I could go save, 5 seconds, and then we'll go through, and when someone clicks, this acts as a bridge page before taking me to the actual website which I'm looking to go through to, which in this case is sambacker.com, as you'll see pop up right here. This is one of my websites, and that acted as an advertisement before actually getting to my website. So another really cool feature that's included with the front end when you get access to this system. Alright, well I think that's all I wanted to show you. There'll be a couple of upgrades I'll have information on down below, and I really look forward to hearing of your success with this software. I encourage you to look at that first bonus. It's a big one, and it's something that I'm really passionate about, because it was the reason that I released my first product was because I was able to generate those leads, and if you're able to generate leads, you're able to produce money and sales. Thanks for listening. This is Sam Backer, and I'll talk to you again soon.